In this video, we are going to learn about what is primitives and what is pass by value with some real-time examples. What is primitive? As we discussed in the last video, primitives are system-defined data types that can be used to store predefined data format. Let us see in the action. I am going to explain each and everything in detail to make a better understanding. Here, // is a single line command syntax in JavaScript, and it is used to add user commands for user understanding purpose. When JavaScript executes the code, JavaScript engine will exclude whatever you have written after this double slash. Let a equal to 30. Let is a reserved JavaScript keyword, and it is used to define that you are going to store some values into the memory. New memory allocation ID will be created for that value, and the value will be stored in that memory. Then the memory ID will be referenced with A. To make it clear, we are going to store the value of 30 into JavaScript memory, and we kept this particular memory reference name as A, so that by calling the name of the referenced variable, we will get the value which is stored. 30 is the number data type here. Console is a JavaScript object, and console log is used to display the messages in the log. We understood what the first two lines are about. Let's execute this file and open the console to check the log messages. I'm going to copy the path of this file and will run in this browser. To open the console, we need to right click here and then click on the inspect, then choose the console from this option. You can see the value of A is printed here. So in this example, we have seen how to declare and define a value, then how to use that. Let's check about what is pass by value. Before that, I'm going to just uncomment these two lines to run the example. What is pass by value? Pass by value means that a copy of the actual variable value is made in memory. Let me explain this in detail. If you reuse one variable to define another variable, then the value of the variable is copied and stored into the new variable. Primitive data types follow the pass by value concept. Here, we declared new variable as b and assigned the value of a into the b, and then printing the b into the console. Can you guess what will be the output for the variable b? Let's see that. I'm going to rerun this. If you can check here, the same value of a is logged here. Let me explain how this works. When I assign b equal to a, in the background, it will copy the value of a and store that value into b. Kindly notice here, it will not copy the memory address of a. It will copy only the value of a. The memory address will be different here. This concept is called pass by value. You may think, what is a memory address? Let me explain that. When we store some value into the variable in runtime, memory address is allocated for that value, and that will be referenced with the variable name. Here, a and b are the variable name. that holds the memory reference. As I said in our last video, primitives are immutable. Let's check why primitives are immutable and follow the pass by value concept in our next video. In this video, we have learned about what is primitives and what is pass by value. If you have any question or suggestion, kindly post in the comment section. We are happy to help you in your learning path. Thank you. Happy learning.